Animal skeleton videos are going viral, and this channel is proof, getting millions of views. And the good news is, you can make your own too. In this video, I'll show you how to create them step by step, entirely inside HitPaw Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Idea and script generation. First, open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt from our Discord or Telegram channels. ChatGPT will suggest 5 viral ideas for animal skeleton videos. Pick your favorite idea, and it will generate a ready-to-use viral video script for you. Step 2. Generate AI Voiceover. Next, open HitPaw Edimakor and create a new project. Go to the audio section on the left and open text-to-speech. Paste your video script, choose your preferred language, accent, and gender, or even clone your own voice for a personal touch. We have more than 1,000 voices in 80+ languages for you to choose from. Now, click Generate, and your voiceover will be ready in seconds. Step 3. Generate animal skeleton images. Go back to ChatGPT in the same chat and simply type, Approve. ChatGPT will then provide 2 image prompts to generate a reference skeleton of your animal, front and side views, and scene-by-scene 3D image prompts for your video. Copy the skeleton reference prompt and open HitPaw Edimakor. Go to AI Image, Text to Image, select the Nano Banana Pro model, paste the prompt, adjust your settings, and click Generate. This will give you a precise skeleton image of your animal, which ensures consistency across all scene images. Now, use this image as a reference and copy the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into HitPaw Edimakor with the same model and settings, and generate your first scene. Repeat this process for all scene prompts until all images are ready. Step 4. Animate your images. Once your images are ready, right-click on each one and select Image to Video. Choose an AI animation model. Personally, I use Vidu Q3 Pro, but you can experiment to see which works best. In the prompt box, describe the motion you want for each image. Adjust any desired settings, then click Generate. Each image will be transformed into a video clip. Repeat this process for every image to bring your scenes to life. Step 4. Final edit and export. Finally, drag all your clips onto the timeline in the correct order according to your voiceover. Preview, make any adjustments, add subtitles, and export your final video in 4K resolution. And just like that, your viral animal skeleton video is ready to wow viewers.
What if dogs had super speed? Day 1, your dog chases its tail. Then suddenly it blurs past you. You blink, and it's gone. Week 1, they're darting around the yard, faster than you can follow. The mailman doesn't stand a chance. Their energy is insane. Month 1, your dog is leaping over fences.
And there you have it. You've learned the full process to make jaw-dropping animal skeleton videos using HitPaw Edimakor. Try it yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next video.